How to choose the best drip coffee maker. It's not always about buying the most expensive or the biggest drip coffee maker. It can be overwhelming, but knowing what to look for and what you want out of your drip coffee maker can make your choice much easier. How are you going to grind your beans? If you plan to grind your own coffee, it would be better to consider buying a coffee maker with a built-in grinder. If you plan to buy already ground coffee, a cheaper, more affordable coffee maker may be the best option for you. The size question. Bigger is not always better. Small or medium size would be the best choice for one person. Getting a coffee maker that is too big could end up costing you more money. Consider the space that your coffee maker is going to take in your kitchen or office. If it is a manual drip, manual drip coffee makers give you full control over the making of your cup of coffee. But it is a bit more time-consuming than an automatic drip coffee maker. If it is an automatic one, the best drip coffee maker must have an automatic shutdown. Drip coffee makers without automatic shutdown tend to be more dangerous because they can be forgotten and left on all day long, and so may start a fire. On-off light indicator. Take a little extra time and check to see if the coffee maker you plan on buying allows you to check whether or not your coffee maker is still brewing. Charcoal water filter. The best drip coffee makers have a charcoal filter. The downside of a charcoal filter is they must be replaced periodically over the lifetime of your coffee maker. Brewing pause. Very useful when you want to grab a quick cup of coffee before the machine has finished brewing. It's not a must-have feature, but it will be a real plus. Resume. The best drip coffee maker that you can find may have some extra features like a digital display beside the electronic control panel, a clock and a timer, and an easy permanent filter. Some other great features consist of water filtration, flavor adjusting, and an integrated grinder. The best drip coffee makers can prepare up to 12 cups. Their prices can vary depending on the features. With the right knowledge and little patience, buying the best drip coffee maker shouldn't be too hard. Thanks for watching.